Building the ideal crypto portfolio for 2025 requires a strategic mix of stability, growth potential, and passive income opportunities. Let's dive right into the 5 coins that should be on your radar. First up is Bitcoin, or BTC. It's the cornerstone of any crypto portfolio. With institutional adoption on the rise, Bitcoin remains the go-to asset for long-term investors. The upcoming halving event is set to increase scarcity, making it a smart move to allocate at least 25% of your portfolio to BTC. It's not just a digital currency, it's a hedge against inflation and a store of value. Next, we have Ethereum, or ETH. This is the backbone of decentralized finance, NFTs, and smart contracts. With the recent upgrades post-merge, Ethereum has become more scalable and efficient. It's the platform of choice for thousands of developers, and its role in Layer 2 solutions is only growing. A 25% allocation to ETH ensures you're positioned for the future of decentralized applications and finance. Now, let's talk about kaspa, or guess this coin is making waves as the fastest proof-of-work blockchain in the market. With sub-second block times, it's optimized for speed and efficiency. Think of it as the next generation Litecoin, but with a community that's rapidly gaining traction. Allocating 15% of your portfolio to KAS could yield significant returns as it captures market interest. Moving on to Chainlink, or Link. This is the leading Oracle network that connects smart contracts to real-world data. Its importance in DeFi, insurance, and AI applications cannot be overstated. With staking now available, Link holders can earn a passive income while benefiting from its essential role in the crypto ecosystem. A 20% allocation to Link not only diversifies your portfolio, but also provides a steady stream of rewards. Finally, we have Arbitrum, or ARB. As a Layer 2 solution, it's designed to enhance Ethereum's capabilities by offering faster and cheaper transactions. Arbitrum is already processing more transactions than Ethereum itself, making it a critical player in the scaling debate. With the next bull market on the horizon, a 15% investment in ARB could position you well for explosive growth. To summarize, here's the breakdown of the ideal portfolio. 25% in Bitcoin, 25% in Ethereum, 15% in kaspa, 20% in Chainlink, and 15% in Arbitrum. This combination provides a solid foundation of security, growth potential, and passive income opportunities. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.